Lawyers must often set appointments and confirm schedules in English. A client may ask, "When is the meeting?" or "Can we change the time?" A colleague may say, "Let's confirm for tomorrow at 10." In today's lesson, you will learn useful vocabulary, polite phrases, and grammar for setting and confirming appointments so you can sound professional and clear when arranging meetings in English. By the end of this lesson, you will use vocabulary like appointment, schedule, available, confirm, reschedule, postpone, agenda, and calendar. You'll be able to ask and answer politely about times. Are you available on Monday? Can we move the meeting? You will use the present continuous to talk about future plans. You'll be able to confirm or reschedule meetings in simple professional English. Imagine this. A lawyer wants to meet a new client. The lawyer calls and says, "When are you available this week?" The client replies, "I am free on Tuesday afternoon." The lawyer answers, "Perfect. Let's confirm for Tuesday at 3 p.m." Later, the client sends a message. "Can we reschedule? Something urgent came up." The lawyer replies politely, "Of course, we are meeting on Wednesday at the same time. I will send you a confirmation email." This story shows how lawyers use clear and polite English to set and confirm appointments. An appointment is a planned meeting at a set time. For example, the lawyer has an appointment with a client at 3 p.m. Imagine a doctor, a lawyer, or a notary often work by appointments. Without one, people may have to wait too long. In professional English, saying appointment is more formal than just meeting. It also shows respect for time. A schedule is a plan of times and dates. For example, my schedule is full on Monday. Imagine a lawyer checks their calendar and says, "I can't meet on Monday, but I am free on Wednesday." The schedule helps avoid conflicts. Lawyers often say, "Let me check my schedule" when confirming a time. Available means free and able to meet. For example, "Are you available at 10 a.m.?" Imagine a lawyer asks a colleague, "Are you available on Thursday morning?" The colleague answers, "Sorry, I am not available then, but I am available in the afternoon." This word is very useful for checking schedules. To confirm means to say officially that a time, date, or plan is correct. For example, "Let's confirm the appointment for Tuesday." Imagine a client is unsure about the meeting. The lawyer says, "Yes, I confirm that we are meeting tomorrow at 9 a.m." Confirmation avoids confusion and shows professionalism. To reschedule means to change an appointment to another time. For example, "Can we reschedule the meeting for Friday?" Imagine a lawyer has court on the same day as a client meeting. The lawyer says, "I'm sorry, we must reschedule. Let's move the meeting to Friday." Rescheduling is common in busy legal practice. To postpone means to delay something to a later time or date. For example, the hearing was postponed until next week. Imagine a storm prevents travel. The court announces the hearing is postponed. In daily work, a lawyer may say, "Let's postpone today's meeting until next Monday." Postpone is a formal word often used in legal contexts. An agenda is the list of things to discuss at a meeting. For example, the agenda includes 3 topics. Imagine before a meeting, the lawyer sends an agenda. Topic 1, review the contract. Topic 2, confirm deadlines. Topic 3, plan next steps. Sending an agenda shows preparation and makes the meeting more effective. A calendar is a tool on paper or digital to organize dates and appointments. For example, I will check my calendar for next week. Imagine a lawyer uses a phone calendar with reminders. A client asks, "When can we meet?" The lawyer checks the app and says, "I am free on Thursday morning." Calendars are essential for managing busy schedules. The present continuous can describe actions now. I am working, but it is also used for future plans and appointments. For example, I am meeting the client tomorrow. We are having the call at 3 p.m. She is traveling on Monday. Imagine a client asks, "When is our next meeting?" The lawyer replies, "We are meeting on Tuesday at 10. This is more natural than saying, "We meet on Tuesday." The present continuous shows the plan is fixed. Let's look deeper at when to use the present continuous for future. The form is am, is, are, plus the verb ing. I am meeting the client tomorrow. She is calling at 2 p.m. We are having the hearing on Friday. So here's when we use it. Fixed future appointments. I am meeting Mr. Smith on Monday. Official schedules. The court is hearing the case next week. Or polite confirmations. Yes, we are meeting at 3 p.m. tomorrow. For example, at the end of the meeting, the lawyer says, "I am sending you the draft tonight, and we are reviewing it together tomorrow." The grammar shows the future plan is already organized and confirmed. To set an appointment means to arrange a meeting at a fixed time and date. For example, let's set an appointment for Thursday morning. Imagine a client calls and asks to meet. The lawyer says, "I am free on Thursday. Let's set an appointment for 10 a.m." This phrase is very common in professional English, and it makes the meeting official. To confirm availability means to check if someone is free at a certain time. For example, can you confirm your availability on Monday? Imagine a lawyer needs to meet a witness. Before sending the official note, they ask, "Can you confirm your availability at 2 p.m. on Monday?" This phrase is polite and avoids double booking. To schedule a call means to plan a phone or video meeting. For example, we will schedule a call for tomorrow. Let's look at a story. Two law firms in different countries want to discuss a contract. They cannot meet in person. So the lawyer says, "Let's schedule a call at 4 p.m. my time, 10 a.m. your time." This phrase is very useful in international practice. To cancel a meeting means to officially say that the meeting will not take place. For example, the meeting was canceled because of travel problem. Imagine a lawyer is supposed to meet a client, but the client's flight is delayed. The secretary calls and says, "We must cancel the meeting today. We will reschedule for next week." This phrase is common in professional communication and to be polite. To move the meeting means to change the appointment to another day or time. For example, can we move the meeting to Wednesday? Imagine a court hearing is scheduled for Tuesday, but the judge has another case. The lawyer informs the client, "We must move the meeting with the judge to Wednesday." This phrase is more informal than reschedule, but it is very common. To confirm the agenda means to agree on the topics to discuss in a meeting. For example, Let's confirm the agenda before the meeting. For example, we have a story here. Before a contract negotiation, the lawyer emails. Please confirm the agenda. First, review terms. Second, discuss payment. Third, set the signing date. This ensures the meeting is focused and efficient. Let's bring everything together in one story. A lawyer needs to meet a new client to discuss a business contract. First, the lawyer checks the client's schedule. Are you available on Monday morning? The client replies, yes, I am free. The lawyer says, perfect. Let's set an appointment for Monday at 10 a.m. The lawyer writes the time in the calendar and confirms. We are meeting on Monday at 10. Before the meeting, the lawyer sends an email. Please confirm the agenda, review the draft, confirm the payment terms, and plan the signing date. Later, the client calls. I am sorry, I cannot come on Monday. Can we move the meeting to Wednesday? The lawyer answers politely, of course. We are rescheduling for Wednesday at the same time. I will send you a confirmation email. The story uses today's vocabulary: appointment, schedule, available, confirm, reschedule, postpone, agenda, and calendar, as well as today's grammar, the present continuous for future, and today's legal phrases: set an appointment, confirm availability, schedule a call, cancel a meeting, move the meeting, confirm the agenda. It shows how lawyers handle appointments step by step, clearly, politely, and professionally in English. So today, you learned how to set and confirm meetings in professional English. Vocabulary, like we just talked about, appointment, schedule, available, reschedule, confirm, postpone, agenda, and calendar. And they all help you talk about times and plans. We worked on grammar with the present continuous for future, which lets you speak naturally about fixed arrangements. For example, we are meeting on Monday. And legal phrases such as set an appointment, confirm availability, cancel or move a meeting, and confirm the agenda, which all make your communication polite and precise. And finally, we finished with a story, arranging a meeting, confirming the agenda, rescheduling politely when something changed. Now you can talk about appointments and schedules with confidence, clear, professional, and client friendly English.